Hello friends, and welcome back to another episode of Auto Freeway and another glorious day in Southwest Florida. I'm on my way to Sarasota to visit with my friends at RennHaus. If you remember, these are the guys that received the AMG C63S and took care of it for about 2 months in temperature controlled storage and trickle charging and all that. And they have done also the tuning on the car. So they have an open house today with food and drinks and prices, and hopefully some of the exotic cars that they take care of and other cars too will be there. So looking forward to that visit. Okay, so I'll see you when I get there. So we're finally arriving, and I already see some nice cars. A Porsche Carrera right in front of me, more Porsches on the other side. I think there's a Lamborghini there, another Porsche. Well, that's a Porsche meet. So we'll take a closer look later. Okay guys, so we're here at RennHaus in Sarasota, and as I said, there is a bunch of beautiful cars. You can see the GT right there, the Mercedes, one of my dream cars. Not on my list of finalists because it's awfully expensive, but we also have Ferraris. There is a yellow Lamborghini there. There is a new Corvette C8 and a Rolls Bentley. What else? A bunch of Porsches. There is the Ferrari, the black Ferrari 458. So we'll take a look around and drool for a little bit. Okay, so if you want to rent an exotic, you have Highline Exotic Rentals, 941, 946, 1641, and that's a Lambo. We also have a BMW i8 or 8i, then a McLaren, beautiful McLaren. I don't know which one is this one, the 720 maybe, not sure. I can never tell them apart because there's another one here, orange, beautiful color. That's another McLaren. As I said, a bunch of Porsches, more Porsches on that side. We have an Evora, Lotus Evora there. We have an Aston Martin, some more Porsches. And what else is there? Another Porsche there, as I said, the GT, one of my favorites. Bentley, the new Corvette C8 convertible. And obviously, way over there, my beautiful car, the C63S. And another Mercedes. This one is a GT-R convertible. Again, one of my favorite ones. However, performance-wise, is very similar to mine. Actually, it's the same engine as my C63S. The only difference is this one is about $50,000 more, if not more. And you may remember this is the shop, one of the cleanest shops that I have ever seen. And some more cars here, a bunch of Porsches again, another Lotus over there, BMW, another nice Porsche here. And here we have a Porsche Gt2 Rs, beautiful red and black. Take a look, a peek at the interior. Very nice, beautiful car with carbon fiber touches in the roof, the spoiler, back of the engine. So overall, beautiful car. I'm not a fan of Porsches. However, if I were to win this one, I'll definitely take it. And we have a Ferrari 458 wrapped in black, with also carbon fiber accents. Take a look inside. Beautiful, of course. An F8. Oh no, it's an F8 Tributo. Oh, okay. So no, this is a much more advanced version than the 458, and obviously much more expensive. This is about $250,000 to $300,000, I think. Your everyday drivable car. And as part of the open house, we have the Spice Boys of Sarasota with a couple of food items, the chicken brioche and the falafel taco. Come in. And the Big Blue. So of course, other than the C63S AMG, what is your favorite car? Is it the yellow Lamborghini over there? As I said, there is a bunch of Porsches, BMWs, the Corvette C8. I don't know if it's C8R because of the color. We have the Ferrari F8, the Mercedes Gt2 Rs, the Porsche, the red one, Gt2 Rs. There's a couple of Bentleys, the white one, and there is a blue one over there. Actually, I think that's a Rolls Royce, not sure. Another Mercedes here, that's the SL, I believe. Oh, a Porsche 928, that's an old one. That's a Panamera, I believe. Another Carrera, a bunch of Carreras. A Ferrari California just arrived. That's probably the most expensive, least liked, I believe, or Ferrari. Don't like it at all, especially because of the price. But to each his own. And then the McLarens, the orange one, which I don't know if it is a 600 or whatever, and then the other one, the red one, maybe the 720, not sure. And as I said, a bunch of other Porsches and the Lotus Evora, Mercedes SLS, the 6.3 liter, beautiful, white, not my preference in colors. As I said, the Lamborghini Huracan. So this is a McLaren 570S. So if I were to pick a car from this lot, it would probably be this, or the GTR, or maybe the F8. So what do you think, guys? Which one of all the ones that I've shown you is your favorite? Okay, there's quite a selection here. I just opened the McLaren because that's the owner. So which one will you choose? Difficult decisions, huh? If money were not an issue, which one would you choose? Alright guys, this is it for me. Heading back home now. I hope that you enjoyed this short visit to RennHaus. Unfortunately, my friend here, or used to be my friend, Sean, is no longer with the shop, so I don't know who took over his position. He was a shop manager. So, well, we'll see. So again, hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Peace.